Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel poojastyles1. Today I'm doing a tutorial of sea green half cut crease eye makeup look. So hope you like this. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this with your loved ones. So now let's get started. I already cleaned my face and hair. I'm using Dabur Gulabari Rose Water as a toner, as rose water has soothing properties. And then I'm applying my Plum Moisturizer, which gives light matte finish, and this is especially formulated for oily skin, and I have too much oily skin, and this moisturizer is 100% silicone free and paraben free. Now I am applying Inside Makeup Essential Primer 3-in-1, which primes, protects and moisturizes your skin. And this is oil free primer. Its main work is to blur your open pores. Now I am using my Mousse Gel eyeliner to fill my eyebrows. Now I am giving the clean shape to my brows with the help of SFR Color Concealer. Now I am picking a light brown shade from my Blue Heaven Signature Vibrant Eyeshadow Palette, and we will start from outer corner of the eye and place the color on outer V. Now I have to blend, and we have to blend this in circular motion towards inner corner. Now I am taking black shade from the same palette and placing this in my outer V and blending it. Now I am picking dark brown shade and merging this with black shade to give depth to my eye. Now we'll blend this, and for the eye makeup the whole game is totally depend on blending. Now I am cutting the half crease with the help of Lakme 925cc cream. Here I have followed the trick to cut the crease. I applied CC cream to my upper lash line and tried to paste this with upper crease line so that I can get an idea to give perfect shape. Now I am picking a green shade, sea green shade from my Glam 21 palette and placing this on the cut crease. After that, I am picking a navy blue shade from the same palette and placing that between green and black shade and merging this well. Now for face, I am using Lakme Mousse foundation, and you won't believe how much I love this foundation, as this has feather light texture and this gives you a natural finish, and this is a normal coverage foundation. And if you don't want any heavy foundation, so you can go for this, and believe me, you're going to thank me later. I am blending this foundation with the help of blending brush. Now I am applying my SFR concealer stick on my highlight area and blending this with the help of my fingers. Now I'm taking my Lakme Radiant Compact to set my whole foundation. For under area, I'm applying sea green shade from my Glam 21 palette. Now I am applying Essence White Kajal to show my eyes bigger. Now I am drawing a wing eyeliner with the help of Maybelline New York, the Colossal Bold Liner. And I have already shared a tutorial of how to create a wing eyeliner video in my previous video, so you can check that. Now I'm using Maybelline New York the Hypercurl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara to give volume to my eyelashes. Now I'm applying adhesive on my eyelashes, and I apply lip balm until the glue dries. For the lip balm, I am using Maybelline New York Baby Lip Color in the shade Brooklyn Bronze. My lashes glue takes 1 to 2 minutes to dry. For bronzing, I am taking light brown shade from my Blue Heaven Signature palette. From bronzing or contouring, we sharpen our face features. Now doing nose contour so that I can get a thin nose. For blush, I'm using Blue Heaven Diamond Blush on. My shade is 504, and I'm applying this with very light hand as this is very pigmented. For highlighter, I took Silver shade from my Glam 21 palette and applying on my bridge of nose and cheekbone. For lipstick, I mixed two shades. First one is from Revolution Pro in the shade Pink 105, Tell Your Friends. Second one is from Maybelline New York, Color Show Creamy Matte Color in the shade M201 Bold Crimson. So here's the final look. Hope you like this and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.